Hello, welcome to today's class. In this video, we shall be looking at determinants of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now, here is matrix A, and these are the elements of matrix A. Now, to solve for a determinant of a matrix, for 3 by 3 matrix, we have two steps. The one is that this matrix has a check pattern, which is a plus, a minus, and a plus. So you have to remember this. Then step 2 is that we have to break down this matrix into 2 by 2 matrix. So that means that we shall be having a scalar multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's go. So to find the determinant of matrix A, so we have this is the first scalar, which is 1. So if I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line, so I'm left with minus 1, 1, minus 2, and 3. So I have plus 1. So we have a plus 1 times the determinant of minus 1 and 1, minus 2 and 3. And first step, so that's the first thing we do there. So I can do the same thing for the other two scalars. So for minus 1, I can draw a vertical line. Then from minus 1, I draw a line to the middle. So I'm left with 2, 1, and 1 and 3. So minus 1 is our scalar. So minus 1 times the determinants of 2, 1, 1, 3. Yeah. Next, we are left with, let me remove this. Now we're left with plus minus 1. So I can draw a horizontal line and a vertical line through plus minus 1. So here we have plus minus 1. Determinant of what? 2 minus 1, 1 and minus 2. We have 2 minus 1, 1 and minus 2. So what I've just done here is that I have break down these 3 by 2 matrix into 2 by 2 matrix with a scalar. So step 1, we have to know the check pattern, which is plus, minus, and plus. And step 2, we have to break the matrix into 2 by 2 matrix from which we can find the determinants. So what next? We cannot find the determinants of these matrices. If you missed my previous video on 2 by 2 matrix, you can click up here to see how we solve for determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's go. So we have plus 1, open brackets. As you all know, to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, we multiply the leading diagonal, which is minus 1 times 3. That gives us minus 3 minus 2 times 1 gives us minus 2. Close. We have minus 1, open brackets, 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 times 1 is 1. Bracket close. Now, plus minus is a minus, so we have negative 1, open brackets, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, minus 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. We're doing it step by step. So what next? I bring down my plus 1, open the bracket, minus 1, minus 3, minus is plus, so we have minus 3, minus is plus, so we have plus 2, minus 1, oh, sorry for that. Open bracket, 6 minus 1 is 5, minus 1, open bracket, minus 4, so minus is a plus, so we have plus 1 there. Again, step by step. So here we have plus 1, open bracket, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, open bracket, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, bracket close. Alright, so therefore, plus 1 times minus 1 is negative 1, minus 1 times 5 is negative 5, and minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. Good job. So what next? Minus 1 minus 5 is negative 6 plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 gives us minus 3. So the determinants for matrix A is 3. So this is our final answer. So the first step we do is to know the sign pattern on the matrix, which is a plus, minus, plus. Then step 2 is that we have to break the matrix into a 2 by 2 matrix, and from there we can easily find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So right here is a question for you. Can you do this? So please, you are free to work this out and leave your answer in the comment box below. In our next video, we shall look at how to find the adjoint of a matrix and the inverse of a matrix. See you next time. Thank you.